Hi guys, welcome back to Naz It Up. Today is a very special episode because I'm going to share some snippets from my kitchen and this beautiful park we are at called the High Park, where we are about to start our picnic. Toronto as a city is extremely special to us because we do not have to leave the city to be close to beautiful parks like this. Given the current situation in Toronto, authorities have allowed family and friends to form a social circle of 10 people. So we felt comfortable doing this picnic very close to home while respecting the physical distancing norms. Today I'm sharing the recipe of this amazingly delicious Asian-inspired lamb chops. These lamb chops for picnics sound a little unorthodox, but what can possibly stop you from enjoying lamb chops in a picnic? I'll be sharing some tips on how to prepare and properly wrap the lamb chops so that you can just pick them up and enjoy out in the nature. I'll be also sharing the recipe of this refreshing salad that I prepared, chickpea and tuna salad, and also a summer drink which is super rehydrating. This is my picnic drink for today, but this is something you can prepare perhaps in the morning and just enjoy throughout the day. So I had marinated the lamb chops overnight. I insist you guys do the same, or at least marinate the lamb chops a couple of hours before cooking them. Doing so will really tenderize the protein, and the final result will be melt in your mouth lamb chops. I've washed the lamb chops thoroughly. To marinate the lamb chops, I have taken inspiration from various Asian condiments, and hence I'm calling them Asian-inspired lamb chops. To marinate the lamb chops, first I'm pestling some ginger and garlic in my mortar. To make it easier to pound, I have roughly chopped the garlic pods. Raw garlic is strong and pungent in taste, but when cooked together with our lamb chops, it's going to give a warm and pleasant taste. Next, using a spoon, I'm peeling the skin from the aromatic ginger and just roughly chopping so that pestling is easier. Followed by some whole peppercorns. There's something about freshly ground peppercorns. It gives you this bursting aroma that store-bought peppercorn powder cannot provide. I'm also adding some cardamom, which is sweet and spicy at the same time. Cardamom is native to India and Indonesia, and adding the pounded cardamom seeds will help get rid of the gamey flavor which is sometimes prominent in lamb meat. So yeah, please do give cardamom a chance and I'm sure you'll not regret. Pound everything well and transfer the aromatics over the lamb cutlets. Then I'm adding the quintessential Asian seasoning. You guessed it right, the soy sauce. Soy sauce is made from fermented beans, which is such a great umami seasoning. Followed by some fresh lime juice, sugar, and chili flakes. You can totally skip the chili flakes, but I want my lamb chops slightly hot. Finally, some sea salt. Just be careful with the sea salt since we have added some soy sauce already. And olive oil. Mix everything well. You have to use your hands to ensure the lamb chops are very well coated with this amazing marinade we have just prepared. You can definitely wear a pair of gloves, but if you know me, I feel connected to my food this way. Like I mentioned before, I had marinated the lamb chops overnight. So currently I'm letting the lamb chops come to room temperature before I cook them. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the chickpea and tuna salad, which is going to be super simple. After all, it's picnic food. To prepare the salad, cut the chickpea and tuna can. Drain the aquafaba from the chickpea can and the brine from the tuna can. Canned foods make life so easy. The dressing is extremely simple. Add Dijon mustard and maple syrup. I'm using 100% Canadian maple syrup. Some lime juice, extra virgin olive oil, some pepper, and finally some sea salt. Mix everything well. I'm garnishing with some cilantro. Maple syrup is such an important part of Canada's cultural fabric. On the palate, maple syrup is more on the woodsy side, while honey has a more floral undertone. And along with Dijon mustard and extra virgin olive oil, it's going to make the salad so refreshing. This salad right now is screaming summer to me. This is amazing. I've been receiving such lovely messages from you all. Thank you so much for all your support. Don't forget to like the video and leave your comment. It's really encouraging for us to receive your comments. Let's make our super refreshing summer drink. I'm slicing some cucumbers and throwing them into the carafe. Same with all the ingredients. Some roughly sliced ginger. I'm throwing in some lemon rings and also squeezing some lemon juice. We're not using a lot of lemon rings. We don't want our drink to turn bitter. Some mint leaves. And finally fill up the carafe with water. This is a great rehydrating as well as detox drink. Prepare this in the morning and just keep drinking throughout the day. Now let's cook the star of a summer picnic, the Asian-inspired lamb chops. I'm using my old and reliable cast iron skillet here. Olive oil goes in, and as soon as the oil heats up, I'm introducing the room temperature lamb chops. I'm not flipping the chops immediately. Let the meat sear and develop some color on one side. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. And let the other side develop a similar texture. Look at the beautiful color. It's the combination of soy sauce and sugar that has lent this rich color. It's already smelling so good. We don't want to overcook. Medium rare is perfect. When it's well done, the texture would be hard. I'm letting the chops rest on a plate. Let the juices flow and slightly cool before I make them picnic ready. I know this is picnic food, guys, but I really want to give a feedback from the kitchen about how the lamb chops have been cooked. Just give me a minute. This is juicy. We saw just now just falling apart. So I think the overnight marination really helped. Just a small trick. Wrap the bony ends of the chops with an aluminium foil. And voila, you can enjoy these lamb chops without your knife and fork. It's bright and sunny outside and we are ready to enjoy our delicious food. Really wanted to keep the lamb chops as the focus, so I prepared this simple and refreshing chickpea and tuna salad. And we have some rehydrating summer drink with the goodness of cucumber, ginger, lemon and fresh mint leaves. This drink has such a calming effect on the body. You guys have to give this drink a try.
Look at this. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Smells delicious.
Yummy, it's smelling so fresh.
Wow.
Oh, so good. Such a rehydrating drink.
Shall we?
Yeah.
I must say this is the best idea ever. To get lamb chops to a picnic. Guys, you have to try it.
Just falling apart. I mean, what is stopping you guys from eating lamb chops in your picnic?
Let's try the salad.
summer this year is extremely unique for all of us. I'm just so grateful to be home, to be safe, and I wish and pray all of you out there are safe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked our picnic video. Don't forget to like and comment. I love you all. See you in the next video.